Welcome to Prosperity Path, where we help you earn more, save more and live a stable life. Today, we're excited to announce a new series on our channel all about artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how machines can learn and adapt to perform tasks that were once only possible for humans? Well, you're in the right place. In this series, we'll explore the world of AI, its history, applications, how it's changing our lives, and most importantly, how we can make our lives better and prosperous with the perfect use of AI. From self-driving cars to voice-activated personal assistants, AI is everywhere around us. That's why we've decided to create this series on AI. We want to help you understand the basics of AI and how it can benefit you in your daily life and finances. So, join us on this exciting journey as we dive deep into the world of AI. It is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and make money. It has become a part of our everyday life and has the potential to change the world as we know it. Let's talk about what is artificial intelligence. AI is a field that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI is a set of algorithms and statistical models that enable machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. The goal of AI is to create machines that can perform cognitive tasks such as learning, reasoning, perception, and decision-making like humans. So, whether you're a small business owner or just someone interested in the benefits of AI, this series is for you. We will share our knowledge and insights with you and help you prosper in the AI age. The history of AI dates back to the 1950s when researchers began developing algorithms and techniques to simulate human intelligence. Over the years, the field has seen significant advancements in technology and has grown exponentially in terms of its applications and impact on society. Today, AI is being used in a wide range of industries and sectors, from healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment. AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. And it's not just for big corporations or tech companies. Small businesses and individuals can also benefit from AI in countless ways. One of the most notable applications of AI is in the field of machine learning, which involves training machines to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. Machine learning algorithms are used in a variety of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. AI has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to education, transportation to finance, and beyond. In healthcare, for example, AI can help diagnose diseases and provide personalized treatment recommendations. In finance, AI can analyze financial data and make investment decisions. In transportation, AI can enable self-driving cars, reducing accidents and improving mobility. But what about the individual? How can you take advantage of AI to benefit your life and finances? Well, the opportunities are already here. AI-powered apps and sites can help you make money more efficiently, while AI-powered investment tools can help you make smarter investment decisions. The future of AI is exciting and promising. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI applications that will enhance our lives in new and innovative ways. However, it's important to consider the ethical and social implications of AI as well, including issues around privacy, bias, and job displacement. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's happening now, and it's already impacting our lives in a big way. Its potential to improve and transform many areas of society is enormous, and as individuals, we can take advantage of AI tools and technologies to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more fulfilling. From our personal lives to business operations, AI has the potential to change the way we live, work, and interact. In this AI series, I will be sharing with you different AI tools and applications that can make your life easier and help you achieve financial stability. So, stay tuned and join me on this exciting journey of exploring the world of AI. Together, let's leverage the power of AI to transform our lives and achieve greater success. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the amazing content we'll be sharing on this channel. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from it. Let's work towards our journey to prosperity together.